Energy IP, unlocking energy through innovation. Welcome to Energy IP's Swell Frac Technologies, the industry's first single-sack solution to prepare wells for Re-Frac and recompletion operations. Over the past few decades, shale drilling has become the most popular drilling trend in domestic operations. One of the downsides to these types of wells is that there's a high depletion rate that occurs within them. Operators have found that these wells can be re-fracked with initial production rates near par with a newly drilled well. The challenge for prepping these wells for re-frac has been getting true zonal isolation from all the open perforations. Achieving isolation is the most important aspect of a re-frac to achieve optimal frac treating pressures. Swell Frac eliminates this complication by way of its permanent perforation plugging technology. The Swell Frac process begins with an initial cleanout of the well. Then, a bridge plug is set above the shoe track. Once the bridge plug has been set, a packer is run in the well and set approximately 500 to 700 feet above the bridge plug. The Swell Frac slurry is then pumped into the well, where it begins screening out inside the perforation tunnels. Swell Frac coarse, fine, and reactive fibers screen out inside the perforation tunnel. Positive pressure is continually applied to the Swell Frac treatment while swelling occurs. Swell Frac is not a diverter. Once Swell Frac has reached its full swell, permanent plugs are formed in all of the treated perforation tunnels that will continue to provide complete isolation for the life of the well. Swell Frac is comprised of a blend of proprietary swelling elastomer. Unlike other swelling elastomers, Swell Frac's patented elastomer retains its swelled out form permanently. Swell Frac has a maximum volume swell of 400% of its original size. After the Swell Frac treatment has been performed, a simple cleanout run with a bit and scraper is run into the well to remove the loose residual material. There is nothing to drill out with Swell Frac. There are many inherent issues with liner refracs: getting the liner all the way to TD, time to complete the intervention, and obtaining good isolation with the cement job. Often, re-frac wells are depleted, which complicates placing the cement, as well as getting isolation between the liner, parent casing, and cement behind the parent casing, where oftentimes it is highly fractured or non-existent. When Swell Frac is introduced into the perforation tunnel and swells out, the pathway to the formation is permanently shut off. This technology negates the need to obtain further sealing behind the parent casing, where frac migration occurs during liner re-fracs. The result of this is higher frac rates and higher production rates. Since there is no liner run, the restrictive nature of the smaller tubular is no longer an issue. Energy IP's Swell Frac. Contact us today for more information.